Ooh. Got one. All right, here's the situation. I was filming another video. I actually already been out here for a while, and I lost all my jigs that I was using for that video. I have nothing else to throw on the setup I was using except for this donkey tail here. So we're gonna hopefully try and salvage this fishing trip. And you're probably wondering, Ramon, why did you only bring a few lures? Well, I came today to film a specific video on learning a new technique, and that's what I was doing. I was learning a new technique, and all I really learned how to do was break off. So I ended up losing all my jigs by doing that. And yeah, so I gotta order some more, and that video is on hold until I get some more. But I still have time to fish, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna fish. I only brought this medium rod. I didn't bring my ultralight, and the only thing in my backpack is ultralight lures. Now if I really wanted to, ooh, got one. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Oh, jeez. Oh, he's all up in these weeds. There we go. This guy grabbed it at the last minute. Ow. This guy interrupted us. I was talking, buddy, but I was saying that... What was I saying? Oh yeah, I had every intention to only film the video that I was filming before, so I wasn't expecting to have to throw anything else. So I didn't bring any other rods, I didn't bring any other lures except for what was already in my pack, which was just ultralight lures. So here we are, just running the old trusty donkey tail, full size too. Already got a bite and like a few casts in. That's always fun to see. The downside is we only have about 20 more minutes. But let's see what we could do in that time. We're gonna move fast. We're not gonna linger in one spot for too long. And the way I'm working this right now, it's pretty quick anyway, so it's not gonna allow us to sit in one spot for too long. Oh, something was following it in just now. Something was interested. All right. Just wanted to loosen my drag a little bit in case something smaller grabs it. Come on now. I saw you following it. I know you didn't forget about it. A little dinky, probably the same size of the lure was following it in. I do one more cast. I stick strictly to my rule of not staying in one spot for too long because we don't have much time. Ooh, got one. Little guy. I'll take him though. Look at that, he wanted it. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. Nope. You gonna calm down so I can grab you? All right, another little dink. That's two. We still got about 10 minutes left. We're gonna keep swimming. We're coming up on time, but I'm gonna do a few more casts over here, see what happens. There's no good spot to stand and cast because of all these shrubs that are growing right here. Everything's in the way. Son of a gun. This is kind of how my day's been going. You can probably barely even see it. That's how my day's been going. And we lost it. Dadgum. Oh, we got it back. Did we get it back? Yeah, we got it back. Woo. All right. We got it back. We're gonna do one last, maybe two last casts. I just want one more fish, really. If I can catch one more fish, I'll be a happy man. Ooh. Got a hit. Got a hit. That's all I needed. That means something's there. Something might want it. Got one. Oh gosh. My drag was too loose for this little guy. There we go. Finally. What were you doing? Got it in the bottom lip. Chill, chill. Chill, chill. Got it. Whew. All right, this little guy, he's kind of long, but we're gonna call it on this guy. We're not gonna push it, and we're out of time. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one.